RVR. In basic English grammar, we have successfully completed 15 video lessons. Now I'm going to release a new series on tenses. Tenses are the heart of English language. In this connection, I would love to teach you first the preliminary knowledge about be form, do form, have form uses in English. Today we are going to learn be form uses. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Let's go and learn today's lesson. Welcome back to RVR English YouTube channel. We are going to have a new series on tenses. When we want to learn tenses, we need to learn some preliminary things like be form, do form and have form and more other things also. In this connection, I would love to teach you the basic grammar of be form usage in this video lesson. It is very useful to every student. First, learn be form. What is be form? Be form is a being verb which is used to tell the existence of someone or something. They are present, present participle, past, past participle be forms like other verb forms also. They are more important helping verbs to construct sentences. They are present, present participle, past, past participle. Be is the root form of be forms. From be we get these words in present tense. Am, is, are. In present participle, be becomes being. In past tense, be becomes was, were. In past participle, be becomes been. Okay. Now what is the meaning of be in Telugu? Be means undu, unnadi, unnadu, unnaru, unnavi. Like this, there is someone, there is somebody, there is something. When we want to say like this, we should use a being verb. It's very important. So today we are going to learn how to use this be form in present, past and future tense. Okay students, we use be form in present, past and future like this. Before going to learn this be form usage, first let's learn a funny thing, because most of the students usually ask the teachers why we use I am. Then teachers usually say we use it because it's a grammar rule. But actually we use I am because of its antique usage. English was king's language and queen's language in the past. Only kings and queens used to speak English. Later, it crept into courts, offices, then slowly crept into society. Therefore, English has its own entity. It didn't change, it didn't lose the flavor of king's language usage. Here, I am. Why don't we use I is? Why don't we use I are? We should not. But we can use I am. Am means is and or. Is and or. Because I is a singular plus plural. Most of the times kings used to speak in the past. Nenu, no. Memu. Even one person used that expression to express self-respect. I am means memu means respecting himself. Respecting himself. For example, senior NTR when he was alive, he used to speak like this. Memu chebutunnamu means there were none behind him. Only one person was speaking, but he said Memu chebutunnamu means he is respecting himself. In such cases, we use I am. Therefore, we use I am. So let's learn, dear students and friends. Present, past, future. Present tense. I am a doctor. In past tense, it becomes I was a doctor. In future tense, it becomes I will be a doctor. Study carefully. I am, present tense. I was, past tense. I will be, future tense. See, we are using am for present, was for past, will be for future. Same. Let's go first, present tense. I am a doctor. We are students. You are a boy. He is a poet. She is a singer. It is a cat. They are dancers. In past tense, see, these words change into was, were. I am a doctor became I was a doctor. We were students. You are became you were a boy. He is became he was a poet. She is became she was a singer. It is became it was a cat. They are became they were dancers. See, present and past totally changed into future. In future, what we used? Will. What is will? It is the indication of future tense. When you want to speak in future tense, you need to use will. Later we learn there are many rules, but first learn how to construct be form in tenses. Future. I will be a doctor. We will be students. You will be a boy. He will be a poet. She will be a singer. It will be a cat. They will be dancers. See, in Telugu, one sentence I tell, I am a doctor in present tense. Means, Nenu doctor ni. I was a doctor. Nenu doctor ni appudu, not now. I will be a doctor. In future, Nenu doctor ni avutanu. Like this, convert the present to past, past to future. Then you could understand the meaning of all these tenses. Got it? Still, let's learn more how to use present, past, future be form usage. This is a cub. Past tense, this was a cub. Future, this will be a tiger. See, present, this is a cub. Past, this was a cub. Future, this will be a tiger. One sentence I tell in Telugu. This is a cub. Idi oka pilla. This was a cub. Idi pillaga undedi. Past tense. Future, this will be a tiger. Ee kabbu puli avutundi. See, changing from one tense to another tense. Now I read. Try to understand the meaning in present, past and future. That is a chick. That was a hen. That will be a hen. These are birds. These were birds. These will be birds. Those are dogs. Those were dogs. Those will be dogs. Here is a cat. Here was a cat. Here will be a cat. There is a king. There was a king. There will be a king. Ravi is a cook. Ravi was a cook. Ravi will be a cook. Do you understand why we are changing be form? We are changing be form to speak present, past and future. You too practice like this.
Okay, students and friends, I think you understood it well. B forms are the most important verb forms. Dear students, note down the important points in your notebook. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. Let's meet in another useful video lesson. Until bye bye.